Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable Talkback on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now, if you have enabled Talkback on your smartphone,
Home button out of pager.
now if you want to disable Talkback on your smartphone, just open the Settings app on your smartphone.
Settings. Settings. Software update is available.
Now just scroll down with two fingers on the Settings app.
Settings.
And tap on Accessibility.
Accessibility. Accessibility.
Now from here, just tap on Talkback.
Talkback. 3 of Talkback.
Now just disable this toggle.
Talkback. Turn off Talkback.
Now just tap on Turn Off. Just like that. And this is how you can disable Talkback on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.